Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your message on Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, what we need to do, we have to click on the create icon, and after clicking on the create icon, you will get the message option here. So we have to click on the message, and after clicking on the message, now you have to choose the project, like the design project or the my workspace or the work request. I'm going to choose the work request, and then simply, as you can see, now you have to write the message here. Whatever you want to write, you just need to write that here. And after writing that, if you want to add any kind of other thing like the emoji or attach any kind of file, you can also do that. And after doing these all things, you just need to hit the send, and after clicking on the send, the message will be sent. So in this way, you can create a message and send to your team members. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a message and send that. So see you guys in the next video.